So, ready to go?
What are you wearing?
We're going, today's beach day.
No, I told you we're going treasure hunting. How did you get beach out of that?
How about this? Beach day today, treasure hunting tomorrow.
Are you crazy? Do you want someone else to find the treasure before us? I finally cracked it. See, we need to go to this island in Indonesia. It's one of the thousands of islands.
So we are going to a beach.
Yes, we're going to a beach. Right?
Yes!
You ready to go?
Woo!
All right, follow my lead. Okay. All right, 3, 2. Yes. All right, so that means going up here to the X. We're gonna go north that way. All right, Nate, let's go.
But Zach, beach day.
Come on, Nate. Buccaneers Bay's gotta be that way. Oh. No, this way. Oh my God.
Zach? Yo, Zach? Dude, I do not think we're safe here. There's a dead skeleton back there. There's a sword in the sternum.
What does this symbol mean? I'm trying to figure it out.
No, Zach, I do not think.
Oh, that's what the arrows are. Got it.
Dude, wait up!
Oh, it's a pit. I thought it was a circle. Makes sense. That way. To there. Give me that.
Look at me. I'm Zach. I'm a cartographer.
Hey, I was #1 in my class. How have you know?
This isn't that hard.
Not that hard, huh?
Okay. Dude, don't leave me hanging.
Okay.
Seriously, get me out of this. Zach.
Hold on.
Zach.
All right, I think we're almost there.
Up and at him.
Should have done beach day. Should be right around here. Huh. Well, that's convenient.
Yeah. Shovel?
Here you go. Dude. Okay. You ready for it? Yeah. This is... Whoa, baby! Oh, yeah, we are so rich! Ha! Look at all this pirate stuff.
Sick.
We could sell this to a museum. All right, let's get this home. Okay, let's set it down right here. 3, 2, 1. Your laptop?
Oh.
Let's get out of here.
Whew. All right, here you go.
All right, load up our way back home. There we go. All right, right there, Nate. Okay, ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Now, where do you think you're going with the treasure?
Come on, in here. Coming, run, go, 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 go! Hurry up, Nate, come on, I'm trying! Come on, Nate, let's go.
Can't keep this up.
Here, give me your towel. Go, here you go! Okay, he's gone.
What now?
I don't know. Oh, your shirt.
What?
Let's go.
Let's get out of here.
Well, here's beach day for you.
We need a bigger boat.
Wait. That's it. That's it, Nate.
Huh? Okay.
Over here! We're over here! Come on! We're over here! Come over here!